Every price range in the headset market is now extremely crowded, and with established players such as Corsair, HyperX and SteelSeries all sporting decent offerings, Thermaltake Tt eSports Shock Pro faces some stiff competition. It also seems to offer a decent number of features for the price. You get 40mm drivers with acclaimed frequency response of 20Hz 20kHz, and the Shock Pro even sports RGB lighting, albeit with just either single-color or multicolor pulsing modes. Powering the lighting also appears to be the sole purpose of the USB connector that's fixed next to the two usual 3.5mm jacks on a 2.2 meters long braided cable, as there's no sound processor included with the Tt eSports Shock Pro. The ear cups are extremely well cushioned, with large, soft faux leather cushions, and they're extremely comfortable on your ears. However, larger-headed users will likely find the bottoms of the ear cushions don't quite sit flush with their heads, due to a lack of pressure and flexibility, which is a shame. That's the exact opposite situation to the similarly priced Cougar Ursa 300H we reviewed in early 2017, which applied too much pressure. The cushioned headband otherwise offers more than enough adjustment, and the steel frame is particularly sturdy. There were no signs of prolonged use leading to an aching head either, and the cushion material remained cool and comfortable throughout testing. Meanwhile, volume control comes via a scroll wheel on the left ear cup, along with a microphone mute button and lighting toggle. The microphone itself is a short, stubby affair and flips down out of the ear cup, but sadly, it isn't flexible and doesn't quite rotate down far enough to sit out of your peripheral vision. Its audio quality was also quite average, struggling to pick up quieter voice levels, and with some noticeable noise in the recordings we made too. We've certainly seen better here, even at similar prices. Thankfully, the 40mm drivers did a good job with the main issue of providing decent sound, with punchy, vivid bass and excellent, detailed vocals in music, especially at the high end. The only area it fell behind more expensive headsets here was the reproduction of mid-range frequencies, where in busy musical scenes, it wasn't quite as detailed or lively. It caters equally well for games, with decent sound when compared with similarly priced headsets such as the Cougar Ursa 300H and HyperX Cloud Stinger. While the latter has stronger bass and 50mm drivers, the Shock Pro had a better balanced overall sound. Buying a cheaper headset always involves compromise, and in this case, those compromises are the microphone position and recording quality, as well as the headset's slight aversion to larger heads. It otherwise provides solid audio quality for the money though, and it's very comfortable to wear. It's easily better than the Cougar Ursa 300H in these regards. The HyperX Cloud Stinger suits a wider range of head sizes, offers stronger bass and can currently be bought for under $40. But its audio isn't quite as clear as that of the Shock Pro, as there are a couple of significant niggles with the fit and microphone. The Shock Pro doesn't quite win an award, but if you have a smaller head, a tight budget and little use for the microphone, it's still a good buy for the money.